everyone, my name is Renske and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to do something very excited because today I'm going to make an ASOS haul. The package of ASOS arrived literally 30 minutes ago and I immediately wanted to open it, so that's what I did. And I can't wait to show everything that I bought because literally when I ordered this, the weather outside was so beautiful that I just only wanted to buy summer, spring kind of clothes, and that's what I did. I have to admit that I love everything that's hanging on my little rack over here and I cannot wait to start. So the first things that I bought is actually a little set. It's this green, I think they call it a sage kind of color, and it's a skirt with a super cute top, and it's kind of an going out little suit. I would say it's something that you really can wear to an event, but it is really casual as well, so it's like a kind of casual chic outfit and I really loved it. I really like the color. I think green is such a trend color right now and I just really loved it, and I really like the material as I'm looking at it right now. And the best thing that I like about little suits is that you can obviously wear them apart as well, so I think that this one will look really cute with a white jeans, for example, but also with a skirt or just another skirt that's not this one. And the same thing goes for the skirt. Obviously you can wear a skirt with another top as well, and basically you get just a lot of outfits in two pieces, and that's something that I really like and I really love the way this looks. I don't know if you can tell about the top, but this just looks a bit weird. This is how they wear it on the side and there's not really a different way to wear this, so yeah, I don't know. I do know that you have to wear something really fitted underwear wise, because this is really fitted as well, so you are going to see everything. I do really like the suit. I really love the color. It's super pretty. I only am realizing myself now that when in the freaking world am I ever going to wear this, because the events in the Netherlands are cancelled until the 1st of September. So I have no event until the 1st of September to wear this. So I really love the suit, but I'm not really sure if I have an event to wear this. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I do really love it. I love the color. I love how it fits. It looks super beautiful. So yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Then the next top that I bought is this super cute shirt kind of top, and it's from New Look. And I just really like it because it has very puffy sleeves, but the thing that I loved about this shirt the most was the neckline, because it's very square and I have seen that so much these last couple of weeks. So I really would say that a square neckline is a trend kind of thing, and I have to say I love it. I actually bought a necklace with all of these shells on it just because I thought it would look so cute with a top like this. And I have to say that I did some shopping the last couple of days and I have another top or blouse kind of thing from Zara that's kind of similar to this one, and it has a square neckline as well. So yeah, I can really feel about myself that I am really liking this trend. And the other things that I really liked about this top was that it has some embroidered anglaise, which you know I like. I also like that the top looks really fitted. It's like this elastic material around your body. It's really fitted. And yeah, I think this is so cute. I think you can wear this with so many things in your closet. It was super affordable. I think it was 18 euros or something like that. So that's not really breaking the bank. And yeah, I just think this was super cute. So I can't wait to wear this. So this is the top with the skirt from the previous suit. And this top I love. I am so going to keep this. I just love it. It looks so beautiful, super girly, I feel like a princess at the moment. I don't know if it's because of the top or because of the skirt, but I just love it. It's super pretty. I love the neckline. I really love the sleeves on this super cute top, and this is such a staple in your wardrobe. A white t-shirt is something that everybody needs in their wardrobe, and this one is just perfect. It was super affordable and it looks amazing. It looks so fitted and super beautiful. Even the square neckline is going through on the back, and I just love it. It's so freaking beautiful that I am definitely going to keep it. I love this top. I think you can even wear it like this, like an off the shoulder top, and that is something super cute as well. I do like it with the square neckline better, but I like it like this as well. And if this is something that you are looking for, you can definitely wear it like this. And I am just so in love with this top. I am so going to keep this. Then the next thing that I bought is this jumpsuit, which is from Boohoo, and I am not really too sure about this one yet, but I think it looks super cute. Yeah, I don't really know where to start yet, because when I opened this from the box, it looked really wide. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks really wide, and there is a belt with it, which you can obviously put around your waist, but there are not really holes where you can put the belt through, so it's kind of loose, I think. What I really liked about this jumpsuit is that it has very cute sleeves. They are a little bit puffy as well, and they are not short sleeves, but they are not long. They are a little bit in between, I would say around here. And I just really thought that was cute. Also, the details from the belt of this suit is kind of some rose gold material, and I love rose gold, so I really like that. So yeah, I'm going to try this on and I will see what I think about it. So this is the jumpsuit from Boohoo, and I have to say that I actually kind of like it. But I am not too sure about it either, just because I feel like the sleeves are a little bit too wide for me. Like, you cannot tell that, I think, but there's a little bit of elastic band around my arm and it's not fitting. I can literally stick my whole hand underneath. And also the belt is super long. There's literally, it's being longer than my leg. Not that it is something that is really bothering me, but it's not something that I love as well. But I don't hate it. I do really like it. It looks very feminine. I do definitely recommend to wear the belt, because it will cinch you in your waist a lot, and it looks very girly that way. I do like the color, but I usually don't like colors on me. There's nothing wrong with this jumpsuit, but I'm just not too sure right now. Then I have another suit coming up, and this little suit immediately caught my eye when I was shopping on ASOS. Literally, this looked so pretty. This is a set with a skirt and a top again, and it is patterned with all of these cute lemons, a lot of yellow and green on a white top, and it looks so beautiful. Also, what I really liked about this top is that it has a really nice sweetheart neckline, I would say. I think that looks super cute. The only thing is that whenever I bought this little suit, the top was sold out in my size, so I had to size up to a size 10. And what I said before, normally I am in between a 6 and an 8, so I really hope this one will fit. But with this top, the same thing as the top before, it has like this elastic thing around the back, so I hope that the elastic is just tight enough to just fit it around my body. I have to say, it doesn't look really big, so I hope that I will fit it. And yeah, oh my gosh. I am in love with this suit. I don't think that you can tell that this little top is a little bit too big. The only thing is that I don't have to bow, because then you can definitely just look into my chest. But that's fine. I'm wearing a bra, so totally fine. But otherwise, oh my effing gosh, I am so freaking in love with this suit. Look how beautiful this is. I can so see myself walk with a little basket bag or something like that. I don't have anything to say about this. It's so beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep it. The skirt is so beautifully fitted, and I just really like it. I just love the neckline on this top. It's super beautiful. There are actually little bits of purple in it as well, which makes it a little bit more sweet, I would say. And I just think this is so beautiful. Please, please, please let me go on a trip soon. Please, coronavirus, just go away so I can wear this on my trip. Then the last piece of clothing is something a little bit different for me, but it is a hoodie, and I literally have 0 hoodies in my closet, and that's, I think, basically the reason that I bought this one. Just because sometimes sometimes, now it is every day, because I'm at home every day, I just really want to wear something comfy but still look cute, and I feel like a hoodie always does the job really well. So yeah, I just thought this was something that was just going to be very handy to have, and especially when it's going to be summer and you're going to be out until late somewhere, it's just very easy to have something that you can throw over your outfit just to keep you warm. Okay, so I'm still wearing the skirt that I just showed you with the top, and I decided to just throw this sweater on top of it. And this is what happens when I get loose on the internet a little bit, because a hoodie is just not something for me. I feel like I do understand why I bought it, because it feels super comfortable and it is super soft, but for the money that I paid for it, I am not too sure if this is something that I really like. I feel like this is more of something that I picture other people wearing when they go to the gym and just throw on a hoodie or something like that on top of their workout clothes, or when you go on a hike and it's a little bit chilly outside, that kind of things. But I know myself and I know that I am only going to chill in this hoodie at home, and I think that's a little bit of a shame because I do have a lot of chill clothes for at home and I don't need that much of new chill clothes for at home. And I have literally never taken a hike in the Netherlands, so I'm not going to wear it for that. When I'm going to the gym, I am always going with my car, so I don't feel like I am going to wear a hoodie in my car just for the literally 5 minutes that I'm in my car, if I'm even going to the gym, because the gym has been closed for 6-7 weeks already. So yeah, I don't think that I should keep this. Then one of the last things that I bought from ASOS are these pair of super cute earrings. And yeah, I saw these on the website and I have to say now that I have them, they look even more cute because they are these very cute hoops with a butterfly underneath. And I don't have that much earrings. I just don't have that much of them, and I ordered another pair from And Are The Stories, and those were hoops again, but then with a shell underneath, and that's something that I know that I'm going to love. And I do really like these ones as well, but the butterfly is just something that I'm not really sure. I feel like it's something that all of those really aesthetic girls with yeah, like the really teenagers of now are really doing this, and I'm not really sure if I am like that as well. So yeah, I'm not too sure if I am going to keep this, but I do think those are just really cute and they look very beautiful, so I might keep them as well because I do really like them. And then I am wearing my new earrings as well, and I just note that when you open the package with the earrings, you obviously have to keep them because hygiene and that kind of things. I didn't realize that when I said that I'm just going to try them on. That's not even possible. You are going to keep them when you open them, and now that they are in my ears, I am so happy that I opened it because I do really like them. They are very subtle and I do really like the little butterflies. It's just a little bit different and I think it can make your outfit look super cute. So I just really like them, and they were super affordable. They were only 7 euros, I think, so it's not even really worth to send them back. I am just really not going to send them back because they are super cute. And then the last thing that I bought is this pair of super cute sandals. They are heeled sandals actually, and they are from a brand called Public Desire. And when I saw these, I immediately obviously thought of the Valentino heeled sandals. And I love those shoes, but I don't love them enough to buy the real Valentino ones because they are kind of expensive. So when I saw these ones, I thought immediately, wow, those are the perfect dupes for them, and I love it. It looks super beautiful, and I think these heels will be so comfortable to walk in because look how cute they are. And those sandal things are just ideal because you can literally plaster them on your leg and they are not going to fall off. They are just there on your feet and they are not going to fall off. So I just really feel like these shoes are going to be so easy to walk in, and I love them so much that I think I'm just going to try them on right now. Okay, they look super cute, but literally they fit like a dream. I have a size 36. I have the tiniest feet in the world, but normally I actually have size 35. But on most of the websites, they are not really selling size 35. So I just buy 36 really often. And these shoes are literally in the exact same color as that I would buy the real Valentino ones. They look amazing, they feel amazing. I feel so comfortable already, but I also feel like a heel just makes your whole feminine outfit look just a little bit more feminine. I don't know what it is, but just lifts you up all at once. So I just really love a little heel, and I love those shoes. I'm definitely going to keep these. That was everything that I bought at ASOS. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. Comment the pieces of clothing that you like the most in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye!